This one cost me my fingers, just one pack. Freezing, man.
I just wanna thank you, your loving kindness.
Lift me up, show me the way you love. Lift me up, nothing can keep us down. I tried my best, I don't wanna crawl anymore. Searching far and wide, searching the sky above. Lift me up, show me the way you love. Lift me up, nothing can keep us down. I tried my best, I don't wanna crawl anymore. Searching far and wide, searching the sky above.
In one of the last videos, people were talking about the like bit rate and stuff. I just want you to understand like how dark it is when I'm flying. So this time I tried dropping the ISO to 800 so that it would be a bit cleaner. In the darkness, I have to go to 1600. And when I go to 1600, it makes the video a little bit like messier. So it's not the camera, it's just there's no light. Someone also asked if they could see the raw footage. So right now I'm going to show you just the unedited flight, this flight, so that you can kind of see what it looks like. If I want to get something that you can actually see, 1600 is the way to go. But if it was like, let's say professional work or something, you wouldn't want to use 1600 because it is too noisy. But at these light levels, the 04 would not look any better. I promise you that. GoPro 10 is going to still beat your 04. Sorry. These are just the facts. Like, I want to make it look as nice as possible, but it's more just being able to like, yeah, it's art. It's like, it can't always be perfect. And when you're flying and it gets that dark, there's only so much you can do. There's limits to all of these things. Because this time I flew at 30 frames a second with a 800 ISO. Before I was flying at 24 frames a second at 1600 ISO. So if you understand what any of that means, great. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you don't, then it's all good. I process the videos a bit to make them look nice. I speed them up. I use music. The regular flights are definitely not exciting as the ones that I show you guys. But I think that making content for YouTube and making these videos and editing them and making them look good and sound good is kind of a whole other joy in itself. It's like a whole other art that I really enjoy doing. And to those of you that like appreciate that and understand that, yay, thank you. And to people that look at it and are like, that's not what it's really like. You're speeding it up. It's like, yeah, I'm creating art. And if you don't want to see that, goodbye. And if you do want to see it, like 70% of you are watching me without being subscribed, so bloody subscribe. Anyways, here's the raw footage. Smoochy smoochy, smash the like button. See you later.